This is the KHON2 News at 6 with Sam Spangler.
Good evening and thank you for being with us tonight. Stay home, practice social distancing, and show aloha. Those were the messages from the state today as more restrictions were recommended for gatherings and more cases of coronavirus were announced here in Hawaii. Here's the latest. There are 3 new cases of COVID-19, 2 on Oahu, 1 on Maui, bringing the state total to 7. New precautions are now being put into place, extending spring break for public schools by an extra week, encouraging more folks to work from home, and making plans to activate the National Guard.
We need to incorporate social distancing, and now is the time to implement many of those procedures.
Right now, across the U.S., there are more than 3,000 COVID-19 cases, and that's prompted the CDC to recommend gatherings of 50 people or more to be canceled for the next 2 months. For more on what the governor had to say about Hawaii's cases and the new push for social distancing, we turn to Nikki Schenfeld.
The governor says there is still no sign of community spread here in Hawaii. The 3 new cases also travel-related. 2 Oahu residents tested positive for COVID-19 after returning home from out of state. 1 resident traveled to Colorado February 29th through March 7th. The person came down with symptoms on the 9th and was tested on Wednesday, the 11th.
The person and family members have been advised to stay at home and be in self-quarantine.
A child at the home was also tested after showing respiratory symptoms. Results came back negative.
The preschool that the child attends was notified that a relative in the home had tested positive for COVID-19. The child will not be returning to the preschool until after the quarantine period is completed.
The other resident returned home March 8th after taking a family trip to Florida. On the 9th, the person developed a cough but no fever and was tested on the 10th.
Person is self-isolating from the rest of the family. Staying in a bedroom with dedicated bathroom. Other family members have been advised to remain in home quarantine, isolated away from the sick individual.
Maui now has its first case after a Canadian flight attendant flew to Maui on March 8th. The Air Canada employee had symptoms on March 9th. She was also tested on the 11th.
The individual was exposed to a confirmed case in Germany on March 4th. Because of the notification of exposure and symptoms, the person self-isolated at the Royal Lahaina Resort Hotel.
She is now in isolation at a Lahaina clinic. The state is asking people to avoid unnecessary travel and to practice social distancing by staying home, working from home, and avoiding gatherings of 50 people or more.
This is the time we need to take action. And although you're going to hear lots of things being proposed and implemented, and some people may be thinking, oh, it's too soon to do that, it's not too soon. You want to put the preventive measures in place before the disease is introduced, which means today.
As for closing down our borders, Dr. Anderson says that is ineffective.
It's going to get here sooner or later. We can screen people and postpone it coming here, but it's going to end up here in Hawaii. Undoubtedly, and we're going to need to deal with that.
The governor says with private lab testing, we can expect to see more positive cases in the future. From the state capitol, Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.